The extra Stage 4 and Pre-Stage 5 downloadable do-it-yourself phonics kit will give you more sets of words to reinforce your teaching at Stage 4 and will help you prepare your students for Stage 5. The extra Stage 4 and Pre-Stage 5 stages are exactly that. They are extra. They bridge the gap between Stages 4 and 5 that many children find hard to jump. It allows extra practice of their decoding skills without them having to take on new learning at the same time. Now use some or all of these sets to support the students, and you can stop using them and move them on to the next stage once they can decode them. We do cover the teaching of extra Stage 4 and Pre-Stage 5 on the Advanced Phonics course, but if you haven't done that course and you know how to teach Stages 4 and 5, you will know how to use these cards. However, the kit will come with some basic instructions to get you started. And of course, the kit also comes with the tab cards for easy organizations. Now, at extra Stage 4, the word cards include families such as the run family with bun and sun, and we have mop and shop and pop. And when you get to Pre-Stage 5, you'll find sets of words that are CCVC, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant words, or CVCC, words that start or end with what you and I might call the blends. For example, we've got swim, swam, and swamp. Now, currently, we only have this kit available as a do-it-yourself downloadable PDF. Check out my video on the do-it-yourself cards to find out more about these.